Creative inspiration is everywhere around us. We get to choose how to live and create. Today, we'll be diving into the beautiful world of watercolor mandala art for beginners, exploring art journaling poetry ideas, and trying out an intuitive painting technique. Today's video and mindful art activity is all about embracing the transformative power of art and poetry. We'll start by creating our watercolor mandala art. Drawing a circle or using circular watercolor paper, you may want to begin by wetting your page. Choosing colors you feel drawn to or that bring you joy. Let your brush dance on the paper, allowing the colors to blend and mix organically. Letting go of perfection. This intuitive painting technique is all about embracing happy accidents and trusting the creative process. The real magic of this intuitive painting technique is using saran wrap. Pressing down as you create interesting forms, revealing them once they're dried, and perhaps embellishing them with ink and intuitive mark making, which I'll show. I recommend rotating your mandala art as you may see different shapes and forms that inspire your writing. One of my favorite art journaling poetry ideas is to respond to the marks I've made. Writing down your thoughts and feelings poetically like a love letter to yourself and letting the words flow without judgment. Writing can be a personal journey of self-expression. I'll share my intuitive mark making and poetic response. May it inspire your own creativity. Dear beloved, with each step, your path is filled with places to explore and escape. Turning to the page, each bubble and crevice is a reminder of what it means to be human. How being alive takes many forms and winding curves. How can you live life imperfectly with great delight, beloved? The path of healing and growth is winding, like the wrinkled lines along your hands, each an imprint of a life lived. Each moment, each mark, a creative act, born out of curiosity and patience, transformed and whole. Begin and end here, beloved, as all creativity does, where you're allowed to be free, creating imperfectly with great delight, transformed and whole. I hope you enjoyed today's creative journey of watercolor mandala art and intuitive poetry. I'd love to read any quotes that inspire you in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Happy creating.